Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Actually, this is something called there is one Petroleum Sports Promotion Board म्हणून असता which is every year they are having different sports competitions in different disciplines. त्यांच्याकडे football, cricket and a lot of all these oil companies and petroleum sports sectoरांचे PSUs असा त्यांच्याकडे खूप players असा which are employed. This is like inter-unit tournament between all the PSUs which are coming under petroleum industry. तातून ते every year now this year this billiards and snooker allot ONGC. So ONGC because we know all the players and all, most of the time they want to come to Goa. So after long they said we'll do it in Goa. We suggested why don't you do it in Goa? That petroleum sector and आमचे जे employees are all top players are with them. Not only in this sport, in other sports also, like badminton you can take and table tennis also you can take. A lot of other sports, they have many of the top sports people in there. आमच्याच गेमीतले like Pankaj Advani, Dsouza Sitwala, Aditya Mehta, all top players if you name them, most of them are playing in petroleum sports under petroleum companies they are working. So taka lagun this is a unique big opportunity for our Goan people to see Goan players, especially youngsters and all who want to watch these top players. Pankaj Advani, you know how big a player he is, multiple times world champion. There are so many world champions here, 2-3 more world champions, Asian champions. They are the Asian runner-up Dhruv. A lot of top cream of the players are here, and we thought that we'll bring them here to give a boost to the sports. And the association has helped them in hosting it. It is actually hosted by ONGC, but we have helped them in doing the arrangements and all that thing. Only the interest that we'll have good sports and good games to be held in Goa. हे दुसरे फावट जाता. पयलीं आमी एसोसिएशन स्टार्ट केलें तेन्ना IOC was supposed to do billiards and snooker, so we had told them to come here and do it. They did it that time. Now ONGC has got it. Now we have told ONGC to do it. They have come and done it in Goa.
Tournament कसं असतं, प्राइज असतं
तांकां more than prize money, it is since it is a inter-unit tournament, म्हणजे तांकां ती ट्रॉफी आसता आनी बिकॉज तांचे भितर मागीर तेंचें कॉम्पिटिशन आसता all petroleum units भितर, and they'll be getting trophy. They'll be ranked first, second, third, whatever among their units only. So it is very prestigious for them also. Like BPCL would try to win the trophy, IOC will try to win the trophy to collect in their own armor of trophies.